Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ROMIVO Hot Tub Skimmer Net with 26-inch aluminum handheld pole. There are features include: deep mesh for superior pickup. Stop struggling with shallow nets where leaves float back out. Our ROMIVO Skimmer features a professional deep, ultrafine mesh bag that acts like a basket. It traps more debris, bugs, and tiny particles in one scoop, making your hot tub maintenance faster and more efficient. Reinforced aluminum handheld pole. Built for durability and control. The two-section interlocking aluminum pole provides a total length of 27.2 inches, the perfect size for maneuvering in tight spaces like spas and hot tubs. Unlike plastic handles, our aluminum construction won't bend or snap during heavy use. Ultrafine filtration system. Specifically designed for small water features. The high-density mesh is fine enough to capture the smallest insects, pollen, and pet hair, yet tough enough for wet leaves. Keep your water crystal clear for a relaxing soak every time. Perfect for small water spaces. This handheld rake is a game-changer for above-ground pools, inflatable kids' pools, garden ponds, and fountains. Its compact size allows you to reach every corner without the awkwardness of a full-length 12-feet pole. Easy storage and ergonomic grip. Features a comfortable plastic grip that reduces hand fatigue. When the job is done, simply use the built-in hanging hole to store it on your tool wall. Its classic green design blends seamlessly with your pool environment. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.